Guys, we're doing barbecue pulled pork in my Ninja Foodi Grill coming up.
This is Cooking with CJ, the show about cooking, drinking, barbecue, and all the other stuff that goes along with it. I am not a chef, I am not a bartender, I am not a pit master, but I play all three on TV. I'm gonna show you how to make quick, easy, tasty recipes and have a little bit of fun along the way. So let's get this party started.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ, and if you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button, that bell next to it, and get alerts on all what we're doing here. All right, what are we doing here today, guys? This was a subscriber request that I try pulled pork in the Ninja Foodi Grill. So as you guys know, I love cooking outside, I love being in the backyard, I love smoking meat, I love grilling outdoors. But it's raining in Southern California. I know, right? Sit there and think about that for a second. Raining in Southern California. I know. And they say there's no global warming. All right. Not to get political, hey, just stop that. Just kidding. You put the red hat down. Relax. All right, guys. Anyway, so the way we are going to do this today, I got some pork shoulder that's already kind of cut up, but it's 3 little chunks of meat. All right. So we're gonna take that out, wipe it down. We're not gonna wash off the meat. We're just gonna take some paper towels, clean it up, and then we're gonna take some of the GQ barbecue rub, sprinkle it all over the top, let it sweat down for an hour or so, which you guys can go 4 hours, 8 hours, 10 hours, however you want to do it. We're gonna do it for about an hour. Okay, real easy to do. No trimming on this, no nothing. All right, just got it seasoned up and ready to go. All right, so we're gonna grill this, but we're gonna use the roast feature because we're not gonna grill this at 510 degrees or whatever. Just gonna use the roast feature, 350, let it come up to about 160, get the nice char on the outside, a lot of heat hitting the outside, building that crust, if you will, and then we're going to wrap it up like you wrap up outside when you're making pulled pork or ribs or whatever. I'm gonna get you over to the Ninja Foodi Grill station, otherwise known as my kitchen island, and we'll get started on this. It's gonna be a good one, easy to do. Gonna take a little bit of time, but that's it. We're gonna cook the temperature, not time. So just keep that in mind too. So you're gonna need a temperature probe, a wireless thermometer. The one I'm using, the meat stick, there's a link down below if you'd like to use that one. If you have the Ninja Foodi Pro version, you can use the probe, but just work the temperatures the way I do it, okay? It's gonna be awesome. All right, come on over, let's get started. All right, guys, we're gonna get these pork butt pieces roasted up. We're gonna take them to about 165. Then we're gonna pull them and wrap them up and then put them back in. So we're gonna use the roast feature. We're gonna do 350. And the timing, we're gonna go about 2 hours on these. But like I said, we're gonna rely on temperature. All right, 2 hours, let's hit start preheating this thing. Okay, the preheating is done. We're gonna get pieces of pork butt on there. We have our meat stick wireless thermometer. Like I said, we're gonna cook this to temperature, not just using time. Okay, I have the grill grate in there so the airflow goes underneath it. Like I said, we're gonna take it to 165, and we'll pull it, and then we'll wrap it. Okay, guys, we're temping out at 165 in here. We're gonna get these wrapped up. Now again, I'm treating these just like I would treat them on the grill, on the barbecue grill. So now we've done the roasting part, the grilling part, if you will, right? And now we're going to wrap them and braise them, okay? I'm gonna pull the thermometer out real quick, and we'll put it in after we get them all wrapped. Take this tin foil, boat it up a little bit, I'm gonna add just a little bit of liquid smoke. Now I know it's hickory flavor. I know all the barbecue brothers out there gonna give me a little grief for this, but you know, we're going for the outdoor smells, outdoor tastes on the inside. Get some butter pieces in there. I'm going to, okay, I have gloves on with liners. All right, so I don't recommend doing this without protective gear. I'm gonna take the grill plate out. So we got all the hot elements out of the way. I'm gonna take off one glove. Got some Cajun Power sweet treat, cinnamon sugar, pure vanilla. You could use brown sugar, but I didn't happen to have any. So we're gonna just use some of this. Put it liberally in there. Next, we got some organic honey. Honey. A couple more sprinkles of the rub. We're building pretty good flavors in here. Last thing from GQ Barbecue, we got Hottish. Let me tell you, it's not hot. All right, it's definitely not even white boy spicy. All right, so we're gonna add a little bit in there. Oops. Now sometimes you'd add your apple juice, pineapple juice, whatever. But these are pretty fatty pieces of meat, and it's gonna render out in there, create just a wonderful juice. So just wrap them up. Try to make the seal as tight as possible. And puncture it to get the thermometer in there. But it'll be a pretty tight seal around the thermometer. All right, so this is the thick piece that we were putting the thermometer in. It's had a chance to cool down a little bit, but not completely. So let's get that back in there. It's not cooled down completely yet, especially this end right here. There we go. Get it back into the Foodi Grill. Push that thermometer in just a tad bit more. All right, we're gonna take this to 200 degrees, okay? Then we'll let it set, rest, and then pull it. Okay, the meat stick thermometer is temping out at over 200 degrees right now. We're about an hour into the wrap cook. You do a backup check with the ThermoPro. Oh yeah, we're well over 200. Okay. We cooked this to over 200 on purpose. We want all those fibers to break down. We're feeling pretty tender in there. But we're gonna let this rest for about another half hour, 45 minutes. Okay, we're gonna take out the meat. All right, again, I have protective gloves on. And just start breaking it apart, start peeling it. Look, it's done, juicy. Look at that. Even got somewhat of a bark. Look at that. All right, let's try it. All right, it's good. Good. I'm not getting a lot of the hickory, fake smoke in there, which is okay. So we're gonna continue to pull this. Let's dip it in there a little. The juice we created. Yeah. That's a ticket right there. So what we're gonna do is peel all this. I'm gonna pull all this. I'm gonna add it to the juice. Tender, juicy as can be. Love it. All right, so when you mix it all up in here, look at that. Just bringing a whole new flavor. Look at that. Good stuff. All right, guys, I'm gonna finish this up. Come on back and we'll talk about it. This is awesome, easy to do. Took a solid hour and a half probably, give or take. Get that meat really where you want it to be. It's good stuff, guys. Give this one a shot. All right, come on back and let's talk about it. Guys, that was amazing. It tasted so good. The flavors, the juice in there that you create with all those little extras when we wrap it up. Oh, so good. I know you guys are gonna try this. I know you're gonna love it. I want you to comment down below. Tell me how much you love it, and make me feel good about myself. All right. Guys, if you want to get yourself a Ninja Foodi Grill, hit that link down below. If you want to get any Cooking with CJ merch, which I don't happen to be rocking right now, hit the link down below to my Teespring store. If you think you're cool enough to rock one of these Cooking with CJ Bailey's fedoras, there's the Amazon link down below too. Hey, you think you can pull this off? Let me see you do it. All right. If you want to become a show producer, hit this Patreon link right here, and we'll get you the extra perks here and there. This week's Patreon that joined up the second tier. Outlaw Star came over from the Hungry Hustle channel. Thank you so much for all your support and believing in me. Guys, there's tiers and levels and stuff we're doing back there. Give it a shot. Help out the channel. Really appreciate it. All right, I hope you guys have a wonderful week. I hope you give this a try. Thank you for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.